Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this gorgeous yellow look and this flawless skin. And just showing again that brown eyes can rock another color. You already know I'm going in with my tried and true, I don't even know what's up, what's down, my NYX Brow Glue in Clear. I'm actually opening a new bottle. Love that for me. I'm having my girlfriends over tonight for a paint night at home. And I'm wearing this yellow satin skirt. So I think I'm gonna play with some yellow on my eyes. Why not? Don't forget to wipe off the extra glue or else it'll ruin your makeup. I got these little iPads on Amazon. I love them because they help collect all the fallout and they create the perfect wing every single time. Okay, now I'm going to conceal my eyes with some concealer. This is going to be a super simple yellow look using the ColourPop Cosmetics Honey palette. It is so gorgeous. Look at these beautiful shades. I'm so excited. Using a clean fluffy brush, just going in with the lightest shade in the crease, just to kind of set the concealer. Then going in with the brown shade Buzzkill and adding that to the outer crease to deepen it. And because we've laid down that yellow, the brown is going to blend super easily. You won't have to work very hard at it. And we're just working outward, taking a deep brown from another palette just to darken this outer corner. Kind of bringing it in along the lash line here to create some depth when we add lashes all over the lid, and then go over top with some of the chunky yellow glitter. Wow, do you see this? This is so pretty. Now I'm going to go in with a stubby angled brush and a mixture of black and brown shadow to create a wing liner along the tape. I love that you can literally just go across this tape. You don't have to be particular with it. Now I'm going in with some daily moisturizer. And I just be careful to not get it in my brows. Now, primer. This next part is probably one of my most favorite parts, but it is cream contour. I'm using the Cream Contour Palette by ABH. Using a fluffy foundation brush, I just buff this into the skin. Foundation, I'm using shade 21, that is right. So this is just the foundation and that contour underneath, no concealer yet. And just look at that coverage. So good. Cream blush. Now using my Summer Glow Beauty loose baking and setting powder that is non-comedogenic and flashback proof. Now to set that contour and cream blush, you can go over it with powder, translucent powder, or you can go back over it with bronzer and blush, which is what I'm gonna do, just to pull it out a little bit more. The Benefit Hoola bronzer. Morphe 8W Warm Blush Palette. Highlighting the inner corner and brow bone of my eye. For brows, I like to go in with the ABH Brow Wiz pencil and just add hair-like strokes. All-nighter setting spray. Lately, I have been curling my lashes and then putting false lashes on just like that, like not putting mascara on my own lashes. And for me anyway, it's helping my shit blend better. Now time for a lip. I'm gonna go in with ColourPop Cosmetics Lip Liner in Control. The Pretty Little Thing Amrezy collab using lipstick Lukta in shade 1, or from Lip Kit 1. Ooh, very creamy, very nude. Little peachy. And here is the final look. Oh fuck, this is still going.